Have you missed me? It's been a minute, but I'm back. Looking better than ever, feeling better than ever. 6 mil of filler, a fatter ass, and a bigger bank account. It's only been a year since I've like uploaded, but it's fine because the biggest change that you guys might notice is my skin has cleared. At the moment, I just have pigment scars and like a pretty bad acne scar here, which I'm working on getting removed, but that shit's expensive and we're in lockdown at the moment, so I can't even do it. I just wanted to come in here and talk to you guys about what I did to change my skin. Okay, first thing I want to say as well is I went on Accutane. That is what changed my skin like 100%, in combination with the products that I'm going to show you and the routine that I'm going to show you. If you're not treating yourself right, it's going to show, especially on your face. So if you're looking after yourself, your face is going to reflect that, basically, is what I'm saying. But other than that, this is what the fuck I've been using. I got all my products here that I use in the morning time. Okay, so for the morning, I first go in with my micellar water just because I don't like to cleanse in morning and night if I don't need to. However, today I am actually gonna just cleanse my face quickly with my cleanser that I use, which is the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser, just because, as I said, I will wear makeup and I just want to get it all off. And just get like one squirt, whatever. Rub it in for a minute. As I mentioned, just counting your head to a minute. I don't like to go all the way down my neck with the cleanser, just like my chin, whatever the fuck this part's called, your chin, right? Is this your chin or that your chin? I don't know. I just like to go down here. But I don't know, do your research. I'm not Hiram or some skincare junkie. This is what worked for me, okay? Another thing that I like about this morning routine, besides the fact that I just cleanse, is that I don't really use water. I can just do it on the go. Like if I'm in a rush to work, I can just bring all these products in my car and like when I'm at a red light, which is probably illegal. The next I go in with my niacinamide and my hyaluronic acid from The Ordinary, and I just mix these two products together. I go in with about 2 drops each. I choose to have a hyaluronic acid because my skin is extremely dry. You may not need it, you may want to replace that with something else, but if you have any dry skin, I definitely recommend it. I want to feel my skincare. That way I know that it's like there and it's working. I don't know. After those products are set for a little bit, I go in with my eye cream. At the moment, I'm using this Origins Ginseng. And I just obviously pat it under my eye. Oh my god, I'm not even looking in my one doing this. Is scary. This is actually the Cetaphil moisturizer. Put it in Neutrogena jar because the Cetaphil box is big and chunky, and a lot of people don't like it because it's very thick. I like to feel my skincare. This lanolin. At first I was like, that's so weird, it's for cracked nipples. Which nipples is skin, your lips skin too, so it makes sense and it actually really works. And I like to rub it into my lips. I don't like to go like that. Like I like to make sure that it's all in my lip. So my last step for my morning routine is sunscreen. If you're not wearing sunscreen, you can't sit with us. Like, goodbye. With that being said, I do not like this sunscreen. The reason I don't like this is because at first it leaves me like very greasy. It has been preached to me several times how important sunscreen is, so I just like to overdose on sunscreen. And see what I mean? Like gives me this, like it looks like I'm like a little kid playing at like a beach or something. And just go into my neck. Remaining bits I like to put onto my hands. I read somewhere that the Kardashians sunscreen their hands every day. Everyone always says to me I have really soft, feminine hands, and I credit that to the sunscreen. Okay, I'm by the window, so this is my skin in natural lighting. Okay, it's now night time. I just got out the shower like a little bit ago. My hair's dry now, but this is my nighttime routine. Okay, so first I wet my face, obviously. The fuck. Okay, after I wet my face, I go in with this cleansing oil. Then rub it into my face for about 30 seconds. I go in with my Gentle Skin Cleanser by Cetaphil. I just use like a pump of this. Then just rub into my skin for like 45 seconds. It took me so long. Let me wash this off first. Now I go in with my glycolic acid, which is like a chemical exfoliant. And I use this every like 3rd day. No, so I'll use this one night, and then the next night I'll have a break. And then the next night after the break, I'll use a retinol. Then I'll have another break the next night. And then the next night I'll go into this. So like I have 3 days in between each time I use this, basically. Hyaluronic acid mixed with my vitamin C. Definitely leaves my face feeling really glowy as well and looking glowy. And then with leftover product with everything, I just go on my chest because like, I mean, duh. You want your chest to look good, right? I'll then go in once again with my eye cream. I like to use this morning and night just because my under eyes are really bad. Look how bad my under eyes are. If anyone knows how to, like, it looks really bad on camera. Like, I look like I've been punched in the eye. I promise it does not look that bad. I'm embarrassed. Again, I just go in with my lip balm. I just let the other product sink into my face. So I just go to my eyes and my lips, and then I'll come back to my face. Now, on the every 3rd night or whatever, is when I'll go in with my retinol. Okay, anyhow. That's done, I'll go in with my CeraVe moisturizer. You can see my skin's really glowy. And this redness, by the way, I shaved last night. But obviously when you shave, you're like cutting your face, I guess. I then go in with my oil. At the moment, I just have this virgin marula oil from Drunk Elephant. It's whatever, but I just go in with like 2 pumps of this. This is almost done as well. And this I just pat into my skin. Okay, so that is my skincare routine that helped me get a clear skin. I love you, bitches. Bye. You can see my eye. Hello.